If you love boho braids and crochet styles, this mix is a game changer. It's beginner friendly, protective, and absolutely gorgeous. The good thing, she slept because the hair was so comfy and easy. So stick around to see how I achieved this. My daughter's hair is long and thick, and I absolutely love it. So the name of the braids I use is Fashion Idol Boho Braids. This is the hair. First, I started by sectioning her hair because she got full thick hair. So it's important to work in sections. So I cut it all around the middle and kept it neat. Next, I cornrow the middle section. This is where we'll crochet the coils later. I kept the braids neat and flat. At the same time, I tried to make it loose because kids, it's essential to avoid tight braids so that they don't feel hot at the end of the hair. So at this point, we will join the both sides. I often make two sides, then join them at the middle. This helps to reduce bulk and makes the style look more natural. Then I put the ends inside the cornrows. I also try to reduce the tension at the base as you see me do here. So for the front parts, we are installing pick and drop bow braids. The hair is pre-coiled. I figured out that it would be very long, so I cut it into two sections and left coils out at the end of our hair, if that makes sense. Because her hair is full, I underestimated her hair honestly. I should have reduced the hair I put out. But it came out nice. She sat so patiently. Kudos to her. I start off with regular boss braid like this. Then I add extension to bring out the coils for the bow braids like this. Then I try to target her natural hair and make the braid just a little above the natural hair. She was having fun watching our favorite movie, gisting, and we were sharing happy moments. The good part is that we always discuss. But right before I could finish, she needed a break. She told me she wanted to rest her head, which I obliged to her. Gave her a comfy blanket, and she rested her head while I continued making the braids. So at this time, I was almost done with the front and the back. But making the back while she's lying down was really difficult. So I did it off camera. So once I was done with the pick and drop, I went back to the middle and crocheted in coily strands to fill the center. These steps add volume and bounce without the weight of full individual braids. So choose lightweight pre-coiled crochet thread to blend seamlessly with the pick and drop style, like this. This crochet is the game changer. It reduces the time spent for making hair by half and children don't feel the pain, which is good for both mommy and the child. I usually use mousse to separate each of them so that I still retain the coils at the same time making the hair. When we got almost to the end, she's out. She slept through the rest of the install like a queen. So here I was done. Here is the final look. Flowing coils, soft braids, and a comfortable finish for our full natural hair. This style keeps her hair protected and beautiful. And I love how lightweight it turned out. And you can style it anyhow you like. I generously spray the hair with water. Give it a drink. At this time, I was thinking of how to get her to bed. So I also add mousse to make it soft and retain the coils. That's the thing about this style. You need to frequently add mousse or other coiling products to keep the style nice. But the beautiful thing about this style is that you can style it anyhow you like, and it is lightweight. Honestly, moments like these are what I love most. Styling her hair while she relaxes or even naps. It's more than just a hairstyle, it's the time we share. Hope this style inspires your next protective look and you get any hair ready for any occasion. And here's the final look: full, coily, lightweight, and protected. Let me know what you think about this style. Please subscribe, like, and let me know what you think. Bye.